quite fast.
How's my camera?
He said 5 minutes. All here in blue.
I'm cool.
Beautiful. 18. Not really. I was thinking you asked for it. Take it after.
Hey, yeah. You can pull the camera here for the officials who are about to speak. Okay. No, it'll go to everybody. Okay, good. Thank you. But it'll also be on the website.
How do we get in? It's so fortified. Got a hop.
Can't miss you. How are you? Good. How you doing? Good. I'll listen to you. Stop by any time. You know where my office is. I take all complaints. I mean, I can't help with anything. Yeah, just please say something. I could get some. Yeah. Do you prefer whiskey?
I like Scottish whiskey. I like Mexicano.
Scottish whiskey.
Sicily Islands.
You like the peaty kind, or you like the Lagavulin or Freud?
It's a bit rich for that one. I go with Freud 10.
I'll get 15 for you for the occasion.
I mean, I did take it in the movie.
That's great. You didn't need. I do owe you for that. So, terribly sorry. Just yell at me if I get your job.
Before you step back,
Check, check, check.
Thank you.
Well,
Heads up. Heads up.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, we want to thank everyone for coming and for sitting through a 3-week mini trial that should have been a half a day. MAP hearings and Huntley hearings to suppress statements and evidence usually take a half a day, maybe a day. We were told this was going to be several days, but this went on for 3 weeks unnecessarily, and lots of witnesses were called. And in fact, today we were fully expecting the case detective, Detective Diaz, to testify. And it was only after Lieutenant Leonardi testified about the illegal wiretap of Mr. Mangione in Altoona, Pennsylvania, that they withdrew statement notice, and now suddenly we're not going to have the lead case detective in this case. It's significant. There was a lot of open questions that we wanted to question him about, especially the very prejudicial statement made by the chief of detectives at the time there was a press conference a year ago where they were talking about all the probable cause and the reasons they had to believe that Mr. Mangione committed this crime. And one of those things was that they relied on a statement made by his mother that she said she could see him doing something like this. That's an absolutely false statement. That was never said. And In fact, we asked for discovery regarding that. The prosecution told us they gave us all the discovery. We've even subpoenaed materials from San Francisco Police Department. There is no such statement. It was never made. In fact, it was the opposite. What Mrs. Mangione said was that she could never see her son being a risk to himself or others. And we put that on the record again today, and that still has not been corrected by either the NYPD or the Manhattan DA's office. That's a prejudicial statement that has been repeated many, many times. And yes, I'm repeating it here, but because you all have published this over and over and over again, because this was an essential piece of information that Detective Kenny said was relied upon by the NYPD in this case. So we want the NYPD or the San Francisco PD or the Manhattan DA to correct this very prejudicial statement that was never said. So thank you very much for coming.
Why did this Mrs. Mangione about that?
So thank you so much for coming, and we appreciate it all, and we'll see you again soon.
Why did this pretrial last so long?
Happy holidays.
Thanks, everybody.
And we hope,
Hi, everyone.
We hope Christmas music wasn't ruined for everyone forever.
For the rest of time.
For the
or
rest of
McDonald's.
time. So.
You'll be home for Christmas.
Yeah. Bye, everybody.
Can someone go up there and say and spell her name?
Karen Agnifilo, Karen Agnifilo.
Attorney for
Agnifilo, Agnifilo. ILO, not LIO, ILO. Whatever she said.
I'm a camera operator. I don't run the pool. Once I'm down, you can watch it. As far as like getting out of the pool, the gentleman. Yeah, man, you too, my brother. Be well. Were you on vacation? I was going to ask, are you being good or are they coming here? Okay. Your dad's making this drink. I wanted to bring my little one, but
I'm gonna run across the street for a second, and I'll be right back. 11:05. That's gonna cover that up. Yeah, I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna say more. Good, good.
it's beautiful today. Like, balmy.
I gotta shoot an interview with Yeah, that's right. I'm still gonna need yes, he's our version. That's not for the pool. It'll go out on the API. Yeah, blank.